Perfect chicken and corn soup in just 4 minutes with Knorr. Tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano. Early riser, alam niyo pagkagabi, medyo tamad na tayo magluto. So ito ang the best na nakita ko. Pag prito ang ulam namin, for sure meron akong soup. So this one is 60 grams. Susundin lang naman natin yung 1, 2, 3 steps. Napakatipid, isang itlog lang, okay na. And yung casserole na gagamitin natin, and of course water. 4 cups of water kailangan natin, or 800 ml. So same lang rin naman yan. Yung regular cup lang namin yung ginamit ko dito. Eto na, binuhos ko na yung sachet doon sa water, and then hinalo-halo ko lang. And then after that, matutunaw na yung powder. Pero maiiwan doon yung corn beads, vegetable beads, and also yung mga dried chicken. Now, early riser, let's try to cook our soup. So again, this is only 5 minutes. So timer starts now. Pag nakita mo na may bubbles na, just like that one, yung mga puti, so please cover it up. Just 3 minutes with cover, and then open it up, and then simmer it, okay, until we finish the 5 minutes cooking time. That's it. Turn off the fire. We're finished with the 5 minutes cooking time, and then we get ready with our egg. Actually, 1 egg lang naman eh. So don't ever directly pour it into the casserole. Alright, make sure it's clean and fresh. So dun muna sa cup. You'll never know if it's bugok or fresh, di ba? So that's it. And then just mix it. Like about 30 seconds, and then that would be good to go. Really smelly good up here. Nako, this is not a paid ad, pero talagang ever since I love Knorr, lahat naman actually ng product nila, but this one is really good. So I like their line. This is easy to prepare and the perfect companion for your favorite fried dishes. Whatever it is, fish, isda, o fish da is the same, and then chicken or pork. So that's it. Enjoy. Tara, kain na tayo.